Hi, this is Melody with Summit Software, and this demonstration shows how to add a hidden code file to an existing template. For this demo, we'll be using the ShapeApp Basic C# sample included with the SDK. The steps to update the template with a hidden code file are the same for both C# and Visual Basic templates. We'll use Visual Basic for this example and complete the 6 steps below of unzipping the template, adding the file, updating the VS template and VB project files, then rezipping the template, placing it in the project template's location, and running setup to register the updated template. I already have the SDK sample extracted and built on this machine. So we'll start by extracting the Visual Basic template included in the sample. Next, we'll copy the file that we're going to use as a hidden code file into the file that we extracted the template to. Be sure not to place this in a subfolder. Next, we'll open the 2 files that we're going to modify. And those are the VS template and VB proj files. The modifications we'll be making to the VS template file are very simple, and we'll be using some syntax which is already included in the file to update it. To update the VS template file, first we'll locate the main code file. We'll copy the syntax for that file to be included and paste it in the same group, which in this case is the project group. Then we'll need to update the file name. And this should match the file that we just copied into the template folder. Those are all the changes we need to do for the VS template file. So we'll move on to the next file, the VB proj file. And again, we'll be using syntax which is already included in the file to update it. However, this is a little more complicated because we will be combining 2 syntaxes to use both a code file and a hidden file. We'll start by navigating down to the section where the included files are listed. Then we'll copy the syntax for the main code file and paste it into the same section. We'll update the file name, and then we'll find the hidden designer file, which is the app add-in designer XML, and we'll copy the line for the dependent relationship. Those are all of the changes that we need to make to the VB proj file. So we'll go ahead and save this. And then we'll rezip the updated template. We'll move it to the project templates location. We'll remove the old template. And then we'll run VSTA setup to register the updated template. Once registration is complete, we can test the new template by creating an add-in project based on it. If we select Show All Files in the Project Explorer, we'll see that our hidden file was added. And the code in this hidden file adds a little bit of functionality so that the drawings can be referenced directly. So let's add some code using that. So we'll add a shape to the first drawing in the document. And let's go ahead and run this. As we can see, the shape with index 3 was added to the drawing with index 0. So the hidden code file was added to the template, and the functionality it added is usable. So by following these 6 steps, we were able to update a project template to include a hidden code file which added functionality to the add-in project. This hidden code file can be found by selecting Show All Files from the Project Explorer in the VSTA DTE. For more information on VSTA, including blogs, samples, and forum posts, please visit us at sumsoft.com or contact us at vstasupport@sumsoft.com. You can also check out the MSDN documentation online.